Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable motion detection on your Eufy Indoor Camera E220. Let's get started. So, if you want to receive such notifications about the detected motion, then you just need to open this Eufy Security application. After this, open Settings, and here select Motion Detection section. So, to receive such notifications, you would need to enable it by tapping on the switcher so it will light up dark blue like this. You can also set an activity zone and set your detection preference. We have three options here: human, pet, and all other motion. You can also choose the sensitivity. This is the highest, this is the lowest, and this is like a middle. I suggest you to set it for high. And also, additionally, you can enable motion tracking so that the camera will track your motions just like this and move in the directions of your motions. I'm gonna show you this on the example of my hand. You can see how the camera detects my motions and just turn in this direction. And that's it! I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.